Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can update the OpenH264 video codec in the Waterfox web browser. So let us dive into this. Alright guys, if you for any reason need this video codec to be updated, let me show you how you can do it. It is actually not too difficult, guys. You will need to access your browser settings here in the top right corner by clicking into these three lines and by selecting settings. Now, inside your settings, what you want to do is navigate to this feature at the very bottom, extensions and themes. And here, switch to plugins. And there you will see the currently enabled video codec OpenH264, which is usually enabled on default. However, guys, if you accidentally turn it off, click into these three dots here and select activate. And if you'd like to update it, you will see the current version here. For example, click into manage. And make sure that you allow automatic updates here. And that's basically it. And you will see the version below, the last update, which is today, December 2nd. So December 1st, sorry. And that's basically it. And you can leave it also on default if you like. And yeah, that's how it works, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.